So all aspiring developers like Nakul would have worked on some individual projects in their college time, right? But in these kind of cases, there is no such need of code review. As long as the project works, it is enough. But when you enter a company, you are working with a team that collaborates with you in the main code base. So the code that you write will be read and understood by these teammates, and they will write or build their features on your code. So a lot of companies have very strict guidelines on how this code should be written. So before jumping into that, let's understand what code review is. So it is a process where developer assess each other's work before merging into the main code base. Right? If you don't know what merge means, you can check out this playlist of Git and GitHub where you can understand about it in depth. Cool. So now let's see what are the different steps that are involved in a code review. So initially, the developer who has completed a certain feature or resolved a bug will push the code to the internet, and before actually merging to the code base, they will add some reviewers. What are these? So these are the people in the team who actually know about the code or are experienced enough to check for the issues or the errors in the code. Now, the original developer changes and refactors the code based on the feedback. And this cycle is repeated till the time where all the reviewers are satisfied with the code and they approve these changes of the developer. Now, finally, the developer can merge the changes into the main code base. But what exactly is the point of doing code reviews? Is it a way for senior developers to frustrate junior developers and to build a toxic relationship between them? Or is it a way to delay projects and to get some chill time before you move on to the next project? Or is it a way to learn some office politics so that you get lesser code review comments? Actually, none of this. Let's hear some facts. So, the companies who actually follow this kind of process of code review have actually saved big money, right? So, you can see in the chart that the companies have saved from $368K to $152K. How? By removing the potential bugs from the code base in this particular step. Another study shows that by skipping this code review process, a company actually has to bear an extra cost of around $216K per year. So this expense is due to longer debugging time, more security breaches, and insufficient development. Also, if the code review feedbacks are taken constructively, it helps to develop a collective ownership in the team. And everyone in the team is invested in developing better software in terms of quality, right? So, a few minutes given in the code review process will help you to build better softwares and save lot of money for your company.